Welcome back to Akshata's recipes. So now that we are in the summer and we get a lot of mangoes, both ripe and raw, that is the kairi, I have loads of mango recipes coming up. I'll also list all of those recipes that I've posted before down in the description box, so you can go and check out all the pickles, the sarserves, the mango sard, and the sweet mango pickle, and lots of other recipes of mango. But today I'm going to be putting up a lovely Goan mango and coconut milk curry, which my grandmom used to make in the summertime. A very light curry which you can have with some rice, some fried fish, or some vegetable at the side. It's simple to make, few ingredients, but the end result is super delicious. So without much further ado, let's just jump into today's lovely recipe. wasn't that recipe really simple and easy to make? So go and get your hands on some lovely raw mangoes. You can get a ready-made packet of coconut milk, or you can make your own coconut milk. I will share a recipe soon of how to make thin coconut milk and thick coconut milk, and if I have already, I'll link it down below. So guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for supporting Akshata's recipes by watching my channel. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me that you watch my videos. And take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. And I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.